I gave you my heart.
Yo, what's up everyone? We are going to an in-depth tour of the new Xiaomi Mi 10 5G phone. We are going to focus on cameras, different modes, performance, speed, gaming and more. The latest flagship from Xiaomi, the Mi 10 5G. Global version was launched in two colors, twilight gray and coral green. The version we have used and tested for the past 2 weeks is the Twilight Gray with 8GB RAM and 256GB internal storage. So we are going to an unboxing view right now. Upon opening the box, you will see the new phone. So what is inside the box is the silicone case. It comes with the free case, 30 watts charging, wires, information, an adapter. Here are some of the main features for the Mi 10. Qualcomm Snapdragon 865, the most current smartphone chipset from Qualcomm. It has the 108 megapixel quad camera setup and has the 8K video capability. The display is 6.67 inches dot display with true color. It is Super AMOLED and has the Corning Gorilla Glass 5. Screen has 90Hz refresh rate, which makes it very fast, smooth to use. Battery capacity is a 4780 mAh with 30 watts wired and wireless fast charging. It is also capable of 10 watts reverse charging. It has under-display fingerprint scanner and a face recognition. It has the latest Wi-Fi 6 connectivity and a 5G capability. It runs on the latest Android 10 MIUI 11 and it is expecting to get the MIUI 12 software update very soon. Looking at the Mi 10 specifications, hardware, components, and features, we can say it is destined to match up to other flagship phones such as the Samsung Galaxy S20, OnePlus 8 series, Huawei P40 Pro, and the Realme X50 Pro and other phones with similar specs. Now let's talk about the camera setup for the Mi 10 5G. It has the 108 megapixel quad camera setup with a 13 megapixel ultra-wide camera, a 2 megapixel macro lens, and a 2 megapixel depth sensor. The features of the main camera are the following. In the photo mode, dual LED, dual tone flash, HDR, AI mode, macro mode, wide array of photo filters, 108 megapixel Ultra HD mode, portrait mode, night mode, panorama, and the Pro mode. For the video, it has the steady video mode, 8K video. Video quality can be adjusted to 4K 30 FPS, 4K 60 FPS, a 720p 30 FPS, and a 1080p 30 FPS, and has the 1080p 60 FPS. It also has the vlog mode, track moving object video mode, a short 15 seconds video mode, and of course the slow mode. And here are some of the picture quality samples and videos that we have been taken from the Mi 10 5G. The performance of the Mi 10 is quite impressive. With its 90Hz refresh rate, it gives a quick and smooth transition from different apps and has a great performance while playing games. The AMOLED display also gives an accurate colors. The super powerful VC liquid cooling system keeps the phone and the CPU cool, which is ideal for hardcore gaming. With its latest 5G and Wi-Fi capabilities, it makes sure that you have the fastest and reliable connectivity. The 4780 mAh battery capacity gives you the estimate of 1.5 day battery life, and this is in terms of average daily use for social media, browsing, and gaming. The 30 watts fast charging can fully charge the phone from 0 to 100 in approximately 1 hour. So we're going to show you the settings of the game in the high resolution and how it performs, how smoothly it is in transition, and no lags at all for this kind of game and all other games that you can play with the phone. Overall review of the phone. It is wonderfully impressive phone and it's great alternative to more popular flagships phones out there. The camera is great, performance and the speed is quite impressive too. Battery life is magnificent even with the hardcore gaming and streaming. It can last to a day without charging it. It is well-rounded phone suitable for gamers like me and a worthy options for camera enthusiasts, as well as a good choice for casual and average phone users out there. The Xiaomi Mi 10 5G. So that is our overall review about the Xiaomi Mi 10 5G. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And see for more videos. Goodbye and thank you.